Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word acolyte. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The young priest in training served as an acolyte in the church, carrying the candles during the service. An acolyte is a person who assists in religious ceremonies or rituals, often serving as an apprentice or assistant to a priest or clergy member. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.